Welcome to Random Unfold. Today I will share a pressure washer accessory that will speed up the surface cleaning process by quite a lot. So continue watching, and if you haven't, please press that like button and subscribe to the channel. This Ryobi 12-inch surface cleaner is very easy to connect to the pressure washer. So it works for electric pressure washer up to 2300 psi and compatible with most electric pressure washer. The one I have is a Ryobi 2000 psi model I bought years ago. If you have a gas pressure washer, Ryobi has another model designed for that. I'll put the link in the description as well. So you can see it covers quite a lot of surface. It claims it's 4 times faster than a standard spray nozzle. I use it on the cement floor and walls in the alleyway. It saved me so much time, so I highly recommend this product. Go check it out, and I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and enjoy cleaning.